Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk to you about the upcoming event of the Transplant Learning Journey 2.0, which will take place from the 15th till the 17th of November 2020. My name is Nichon Jansen. I'm the chair of ETCO, the European Donation Transplantation Coordination Organization, which is the section of ESOT. Together with LPAT, ETAP, ETCO and the European Transplantation Organization ETPO, we will organize a patient learning workstream. The patient learning workstream is extremely important. It is creating a platform for mutual understanding, learning and collaboration between healthcare professionals and patients. A few years ago that we made a promise to the patients to give them a voice and build a bridge between patients and healthcare professionals. During the TLJ, we will present the results from a European survey about the main concern of transplant patients. We will have a live session, Q&A, between patients and healthcare professionals, dealing with uncertainty before and after transplantation. And we will have a session about the latest scientific evidence on uncertainty and illness and the impact on patient self-efficacy and self-management. I'm sure that the Patient Learning Workstream offers an exceptional program for both healthcare professionals and patients. I hope to meet you in November.